Hi students, good morning. This is Srinivasa Perumal. Today we are going to discuss about exercise 13.1, question number 2. The given question, the length, breadth and height of the rooms are given. So 5, 4 and 3 meter respectively. Find the cost of the whitewashing of the walls of the room and ceiling at the rate of 7.5 rupees per meter square. So it's a cuboid. The length is 5 meter and breadth is 4 meter and height is 3 meter. Now we need to painting the 4 walls and ceiling. So just avoiding this, just avoid the bottom, the floor. So we need to find the remaining. So the formula, total surface area is 2 times of LB plus BH plus HL. But we need to find the surrounding on top only. So we need to reducing the floor. So our requirement, the total the painting area equal to total surface area of room minus of area of floor. So TSA means 2 times of LB plus BH plus HL and the area of floor. So length and breadth. So LB. Just substitute 2 times of 5 cross 4 plus 4 cross 3 plus 3 cross 5 minus of 5 cross 4. So 2 times of 20 plus 12 plus 15 minus 20. So 2 times of 47, then minus 20. We are getting 94 minus 20 equal to 74 meter square. So this is a paintable area. So 4 walls and ceiling. So the cost also given. So each meter square, for example 1 meter square, the cost is Rs 7.5. Total area is multiplied by 1 meter square value. So 74 is multiplied by 7.5, then finally we getting 555 rupees for total value. The floor of a rectangle hall, the perimeter is 250 meter. The cost of painting the floor, walls, the rate of rupees 10 per meter square. Then total value is 15,000. We need to find the height of the wall, height of the hall. Very simple, it's a perimeter. So it's a rectangle, so L and B. So the perimeter is 2 times of L and B. So 2 times of L plus B is equal to 250 meter. And the painting at the 4 walls. So just this side is multiplied by the particular height. So 2 times of L plus B is multiplied by height is equal to the total area. Four walls. That means area of 4 walls. And the total cost. We just multiply this total area into per meter squared cost equal to the total cost. So total area is 2 times of L plus B into H. Then each meter square have 10 rupees. Then final value is equal to 15,000. So just cancelling. And this value 2 into L plus B is given value, the 250 meter. So 250 is multiplied by H is equal to 1500. Then after cancelling this, H is equal to 6. So 6 meter is value. The height of the hall is 6 meter. The paint in a certain container is sufficient to paint an area is equal to 9.375 meter square. Then how many bricks of dimensions? The dimensions are given. So L is equal to 22.5 centimeter and breadth is equal to 10 centimeter. The height of the value bricks H is equal to 7.5 centimeter can be painted out of this container. So we need to find how many bricks. So before that we need to find this area. So bricks is like a rectangle, then cuboid. So the total area is 2 times of LB plus BH plus HL. Then we substitute the values. So 22.5 is multiplied by 10, then 10 is multiplied by 7.5, then 7.5 is multiplied by 22.5. Then 225 plus 75 plus just multiplying these two values 168.75. After adding 2 times of this value is equal to 937.5 centimeter square. So just compare, the given unit is centimeter and the value of the bricks area is centimeter square. Just compare in a total area given in meter square. So we need to converting the centimeter into meter. One meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So we need to convert the centimeter into meter. That means 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meter. So here centimeter square. So we need to convert the meter square. That means 937.5 divided by 10 into 10, sorry 100 into 100 meter square. Now the final value is 0.09375 meter square. Now just comparing the total area and the individual bricks area. So the number of bricks equal to the total paintable output, total paints. Divided by individual bricks area. So the total area is 9.375 meter square and the individual value is 0.09375 meter square. So now both are in a meter square, so just cancelling, and this value is 100. So the number of bricks we can able to paint is 100 bricks. Question number 5. A cubical box has each edge is 10 centimeter. So each one have 10 centimeter. Then another one, it's a cuboidal box. Here 12.5 centimeter long, so this one is 12.5 centimeter, and wide means 10 centimeter and the height 8 centimeter. The first one, So which box has a greater lateral surface area? Lateral surface area means just remove the top and bottom. So lateral means just adding front, back. So front, this one, on the back side, and left and right. That's it. So in a cube, the first contain the cube. So each side have a 10 centimeter. So the side area is a square. So for example, just like a for all side. So 10 into 10 is 100 centimeter square for one side. We need to multiply the 4 times because front, back, and right and left. So the lateral surface area equal to 4 times of a square. That means 4 times of 100 centimeter square. So the final value is 400 centimeter square. The next one, the same concept for cuboid. The front means L and height. So front and back. So 2 times of LH. And the left and right. So 2 times of BH. So here 2H is a common term and simplification. So just take it away. 2H then L plus B. So just substitute the value 2 and height value is 8. Then L is 12.5. Then breadth is 10. So the final value is 360 and the given unit is centimeter. So the value is centimeter square. So now compare the cube box 400 centimeter square and the cuboidal 360 centimeter square. So the difference (400 minus 360) 40 centimeter square. So the cubical box is more than cuboidal box by 40 centimeter square. Next one, the total surface area. It's a very familiar. So total surface area, the first cubical box. So each side have a square, that means 6 times of a square. A value is 10. So the final value is 6 is multiplied by 100. So the final 600 centimeter square. Then cuboidal box. So TSA is 2 times of LB plus BH plus HL. Just substitute the values. 12.5 is multiplied by 10 plus 10 is multiplied by 8 plus 8 is multiplied by 12.5. Then after simplifying, 2 times of 125 plus 80, then 12.5, we getting 100. So 2 times of 305. So finally we getting 610 centimeter square. Now compare the cuboidal box has more area. The difference is 610 minus 10, sorry 600. So the difference is 10 centimeter square. So the cuboidal box has more area than cubical box by 10 centimeter square. Thank you.